Okay guys, so here's the part we've been waiting for.
Absolutely.
Now, our room is fairly simple. I mean, we don't have any wet areas, but we will be covering some unique features like stairs, pipes, wet areas, and transitions in other segments.
Okay, I've got all of our tools and materials ready.
Okay.
And I've checked all the planks for any damage, and they look great.
And they're going to look even better when we get the flooring down. Now, the first step is to pick a starting wall. Now, I recommend putting the planks parallel to the long side of the room. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on this wall right here.
Okay, before we start, what are the spacers for?
That's a really good question. Now, the spacers are going to give you a 3/8 inch expansion space on all the edges. So your Pergo flooring can expand and contract as the weather and the temperature changes. Now, this space is important in all Pergo installations and environments. Okay, well, we've got our planks. You ready?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, I want to start with a 4-plank assembly right off the bat here. So I've got my 4 pieces here. Now remember, we're going to be working along the long side of the wall. Okay, now I've cut my first plank of my second row to 32 inches because remember, we want to have those joints staggered at least a minimum of 12 inches.
Right.
Okay, so I'm going to just take my second piece here and I'm going to put it at an angle, put the tongue inside the groove, making sure that it's flush down here on the end, and I'm going to fold it down till it clicks right into place.
Oh, that looks easy.
Yeah. I'm going to move to my second piece of my first row, and literally guys, it's just a matter of taking this, butting it together, making sure that it's flush, and then pushing down to lock that into place.
Wow.
Yep. All right, now to get my fourth piece in line, what I need to do, I'm going to put weight here on the first row, take my plank, lift it up at an angle, put the tongue inside the groove. See how that slides? Now what I'm going to do is hold this piece right here, butt that up flush, fold it down till it clicks right into place.
So what if we want to remove one of the planks once it's already been assembled?
That's really easy to do, but what you have to do though is lift up the entire row, remove it from that row it was connected to. Now you can't just take this apart. What you have to do is you have to slide it apart to unlock it.
Oh, okay.
Looks amazing.
Okay, so what we're going to do is let's put this whole couple of rows together, and then I'm going to slide it up into the corner and we can work across the room. But do you have the spacers?
I sure do.
Okay, great. Well, now it's really important to maintain a 3/8 of an inch expansion space all the way around the perimeter of the room. So we're going to place these spacers every foot along the edge here, and then we're going to put it on the ends of every plank as we work across the floor.
Okay.
All right, so let's put these together, and then I'm going to push it up into the corner here, and we'll just keep on going.
Perfect.